Hey guys, it's Ryan. So we got this message from one of our followers, a total RC plane geek, who's been struggling with his fixed wing model. The tilt motor mount keeps falling on him, and even with upgraded PACF material, it didn't work at all. That's why he came to us for help. See this part, the motor mount for this tri-tilt Vito is actually super important. It's what lets drones smoothly switch between vertical takeoff and hovering, and high-speed forward flight. Here's the tricky part. When developing this tri-tilt Vito and its motor bracket, regular 3D printed parts just couldn't handle the intense vibrations from spinning propellers. It would crack all the time. But metal parts, way too heavy. So what's the solution? That's where FibreSeeker 3 and continuous carbon fiber 3D printing come in. Check out our own rocket slicer software we built in specifically for our FibreSeeker printers. What's cool is it automatically handles all the fiber path planning for you. Here's how easy it is. Just import your model, orient it so the main stress direction lines up with where you want the fibers to run. Then pick your printing mode. We've got 3 simple modes: speedy for plain plastic, fortified for full fiber, and reinforced, the one everyone uses more, for composite printing. Just select reinforced, use the default template, and hit slice. Nice! Once the rocket animation finishes, you can see the slice model. At first glance, it looks like any normal FDM slice. You've got your plastic walls, supports, brim, and all that Euro stuff. But watch this. Click Show Fiber Only, and boom! You can see how the continuous fibers are embedded throughout the part, just like rebar in concrete, seriously boosting the stiffness. You can even scroll through layer by layer to check the fiber layout. When you're happy, just hit Print Start to save it to file and then send it to your FibreSeeker 3, either online or offline. So that's it for this video. If you are also dealing with similar broken parts or vibration issues, drop your story in the comments below. We'll catch you in the next one.